So I recently started getting paid off of TikTok, and I see some similarities versus TikTok and YouTube, and I want to talk to you guys, and I'm trying to actually encourage you guys to create a TikTok account. So let's just jump straight into this video.
Pretty like a girl, and he got 5 stories to tell. See both sides like Chanel. See on both.
I try to monetize everything that I do. I know a lot of people think that TikTok is all about dancing and for young kids. Like I said in all my other videos, I thought the same way until I created an account, and I am addicted. I'm not gonna lie, I'm addicted to it. But my channel is different. I don't do the dancing and stuff. I do my own little flair, so you guys should check it out. Okay, let's talk about the algorithm. I feel like that's very important, and I feel like YouTube should take note from TikTok. I'm just saying. So if you guys don't know, I've been on YouTube for over 5 years, and it took me about 3 years to start getting paid. And their requirements is you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. And it took me so long to grow, and I'm still growing. I'm still growing slowly on YouTube. But versus TikTok, guys, I was on there for about a month, and I grew so quickly. It was ridiculous. I posted a video, I had 0 views. I think about a couple of days later I checked, and I had about 1,000. And then literally I posted another video, and it blew up, and that's how I got all of my followers. So now on TikTok I have 18,000 followers. That's insane. That's insane. I can't believe it. And their requirements in order to get paid is 10,000 followers and 10,000 likes within a month. It's a little pressure, but theirs on TikTok is so much easier to grow and get paid. So I don't know what's going on with TikTok's algorithm, but I love theirs versus YouTube. YouTube, I'm still not cracking the algorithm. I can't even speak, guys. I still haven't cracked the algorithm. I still haven't cracked it on YouTube, and literally I'm working my butt off on YouTube. So I post consistently on YouTube. I use the hashtags, I use all that. I utilize everything they tell us to do, and literally I'm only getting about 30 views on my, it's just ridiculous. It's ridiculous. So YouTube needs to take some notes on that. So okay, let's talk about TikTok. I haven't been on there that long. I haven't even collected a check yet, but it tells you how much you get paid, and they're 3 days behind, so it's kind of hard to see how much you made. So far it's not that much for me. I haven't made that much, but it's something. You know what I mean? And I will tell you guys the exact amount, but somebody told me that you can't do it, so mind you, it's not that much. I think you get paid about what per 1,000 view, and that's still good. I'm still happy about that. Versus YouTube, you get paid, it depends on what type of video you make, it depends on the length, how many likes and all. It depends on so much stuff to factor, and the prices go up to on YouTube, and both of them it takes about a month to get paid on both accounts. On YouTube, you need to make $100 in order to cash it out. On TikTok, you can just cash out at the end of the month. So let's talk about the editing. With YouTube, it is kind of hard to learn all the editing and all the other flashy stuff. But versus, I keep saying versus, I don't know if I should say versus or what. But on TikTok, you can edit on the app. I'm still learning about how to use the green screen, the editing, and voiceover. So usually I just edit on iMovie, and I just transfer it to TikTok. The final thing I'm going to talk about is censorship. Okay. On TikTok, it's so sensitive. I've been banned off of live. I've been suspended off of live for about a week or 2. And also, I have so many violations. Community guidelines is kind of strict. Well, it's not strict. I just don't really read them. I probably should read it. But anyway, like I said, I have so many violations. That's why it took me so long to get paid off of TikTok, because a lot of stuff that I did, they said was inappropriate. So they need to work on that. TikTok needs to work on that. YouTube also has, they don't have violations, but certain stuff they won't pay you for. For inappropriate stuff, if you dress inappropriately, if you're in a 2-piece. I have a video that I was in 2-piece. They won't even pay me for it. They'll put limited to no ads, the little sign, whatever. Actually, I have a lot of those. But yeah, I just need to watch what I say, I guess. Let's talk about the final thing, and it's gonna be live. I love going live, especially on TikTok. I did both too. Let's talk about YouTube. So when I'm going live on YouTube, they are strict as well. But on their lives, you can't, if you play any music, I'm sorry, let me cover that up a little bit. So if you play music, you can't get paid. They monitor a lot of stuff too as well. So versus TikTok, on TikTok, they are strict as well, but your subscribers or your followers, they can send you money on the app. I love that though. It's not that much money, but I love that it's an option. So more of the story is to do both. I know both of them have ups and downs, but I feel like TikTok won't have the longevity as in YouTube. You know, there's just so much going on. You know, when Trump was in office, he was trying to get rid of TikTok. So that's always in the back of my mind. So I'm trying to literally utilize it until the wheels fall off. So if you are thinking about it, I suggest everyone starts a TikTok and a YouTube. Use your TikTok to build your following, still get a little paid and all that. And then also recycle your content. That's what I do. I recycle content. So on TikTok, you only can use about 60 seconds? Or 15 seconds. Okay, they have two options, and they say that you can raise it to 3 minutes, but that's not now. But anyway, so you have two options of the limit. So just recycle that content and put that on YouTube and start making some money. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also follow me on all social media. Everything's gonna be in the description box.